What's up, Za?
What's up, Cam?
What you doing today?
About to go to Caps.
Alright, meet me at Caps.
Caps Urban Wear, the official urban store for the Triad and Triangle in Greensboro and Raleigh, has a wall-to-wall selection of fitted caps, urban wear, and clothing. Shop for your favorite urban clothing and the latest styles at Caps Urban Wear. Get the urban look with the top authentic brand names in urban wear at Caps, with the top authentic brand names in designer shirts and your favorite top brand name designer denim jeans. Shop at Caps Urban Wear and Clothing, the official urban store for the hottest sunglasses, watches, jewelry, belts, magazines, and DVDs. Caps Urban Wear with 2 locations: Kelly's Plaza in Greensboro and Southgate Shopping Center in Raleigh.